Two shots. Here's Matthews. They're going to use a run and jump here. Is lower. Matthews across the timeline. Kicks out to Jefferson. To Robertson. 5 seconds to go. Harmon. Stolen away by Herman. Herman chucks it. Goal! At the buzzer! Lord! Unbelievable! On a 35-footer from Ryan Herman. Oh, wow. What a defensive play by Herman. And then to have the presence of mind to rise. The ball found the glass and in at the buzzer. The Lower Cape May fan student body storms the court and is simply mobbing their team. What an ending. Lower Cape May comes back from a 10-point deficit. Ryan Herman, 2 threes in the final 15 seconds. His second one, a 35-footer that banks in and gives Lower Cape May the win. We're going to take a break. We'll come back and sort it all out right after this on 98.7 The Coast WCZ.